A CBS investigation finds rape victims are getting charged for medical tests that they thought were free. Wisconsin is one of more than a dozen states that have made sexual assault survivors pay. Chris Van Cleve reports.
I woke up the next morning naked.
Late last year, Christine was sexually assaulted. She went to a suburban Chicago hospital for a rape kit, a medical exam that checks for injuries and collects evidence of the crime. The next day, she felt victimized all over again.
I got my first bill.
You kept getting bills?
Correct. Lots of them, and for like thousands of dollars.
Federal law says that victims should not pay for rape kits, but there can be additional medical charges like HIV tests or ER fees, which may not be covered. In some states, that means victims could be stuck with the bill.
When you keep getting re-victimized, once a month, you get a reminder in the mail, hey, you were raped, hey, this happened, it's hard to move on.
Chicago's rape victim advocates helped Christine, but it took almost 10 months for the bills to stop.
We have a full-time staff person, and the bulk of their cases are resolving medical bills.
Our CBS News investigation found 13 states, including Illinois, where advocates say some rape survivors are getting billed for medical services. In Louisiana, this victim was among those billed after a private company took control of the state-owned LSU hospital system.
Around $2,000, of which my insurance covered none of it at all.
State legislators began hearings last month, and Louisiana's governor signed an executive order aimed at better protecting victims.
I believe that the victim should never be charged.
There have been at least 2 attempts to change federal law to expand coverage beyond rape kits. Both failed to pass Congress. In Wisconsin, there are signs of improvement. The Wisconsin Coalition Against Sexual Assault told us in a statement it's receiving fewer reports of victims receiving bills associated with the forensic exam, but acknowledged there is more work to be done. Chris Van Cleve, CBS News, New York.
And we should mention just this afternoon, $35 million announced to fund rape test kits. That money is for kits nationwide. The Manhattan District Attorney pledged that money to help the backlog of kits waiting to be tested.